So when have you got the idea that you have to also learn English and you are connecting by this platform?
Because mostly people expect from a CBSE or ICSE board student that they might be able to speak in this language.
We have thought and we have looked for the mobile phone internet. So hello,
Yeah, hi, both of you.
ma'am. So as we're meeting for very first time, so how are you doing at present?
I'm doing very well. Yeah, it has been going really well. Let me know about you. How is it going?
It's
How
going also
Monday is treating you?
also
Okay,
doing pretty good.
okay. So yeah, it's let's start with your introduction.
Here, as you have given me opportunity, so I'm so curious to give my introduction. This is Maliha speaking in front of you. I study in 8th standard. I'm connecting with you from Bangladesh as your neighbor country. If we talk my family, so there are 4 members in my family. They're my parents, me, and my brother. If I talk my hobbies, so I like to know new things, new information. If I talk. If I talk my English journey, so it has been learning just 1 year. So now I'd like to yes, now I'd like to say you my brother. His the name is Muslim Masud. He also studies 8th standard, and we are siblings as well as we are twins. So that's it.
Okay, you're twins, but
Yeah.
you don't. Yeah, like there is not a really similarity in both of you, but still, okay, that's good that you are twin. Yeah, nice to see you both. Let's
Now,
start with my introduction.
now it's your turn. You should also introduce yourself.
Okay, of course. I would love to introduce myself. I'm Ayushi. I come from UP State. It's Kanpur city where I live. And if I talk about my studies, I'm in 11th grade. And if I talk about my families, so we are 4 members in my families. My mother is my single parent, and we are 3 siblings, 3 sisters, and I am the youngest one among all of us.
So are you belong to a nuclear family or joint family?
Yeah, nuclear family.
We are also same. We are from nuclear family.
Okay, that's great. So, as you told me that you are in ninth grade, right? Or eighth grade.
We are 8th standard, ma'am.
Okay, you both are in eighth standards. Okay, that's really great. So, tell me how's the weather of that place?
In our country, the weather is so cold that it is intolerable.
Okay, okay. Yeah, also here, the same condition. It's cold and getting cold day by day. So, yeah, let's talk with your English interest. How did you come in that? How did you find it interesting? And yeah, what made you to speak in this language?
Sorry, could you please repeat your question?
Yeah, I was asking, how did you get the interest in this language? And what made you to learn this language and speak in this language?
My journey, if I talk my journey, that is so separate, and if I talk my brother's journey, that is also separate. So now I'd like to share with you my learning journey that it was a long time ago. First, my father motivated me to learn this language. That time I don't watch mobile, I don't connect with the internet. Then he didn't force me, but he has told me suddenly. Then I have searched in internet that I have collected some data that in the global warm in the global language it's an international language, so we must have to learn it. That time I have thought, and nowadays I have just followed two, speaking and listening. I just that time listened previous time when I have started journey, then I just listen more and more. By listening nowadays I can speak. And if I talk that at my home there is no environment to learn this language, but now I have created the environment. And if I talk other things, that when we have started our journey, that we have to face some of problem, some of issue, because that time people just criticize that they're speaking, there is no environment, they don't know what is the importance of learning English. That is why we have to tolerate something. So Also, I have seen so many speakers they're saying we have to read something for enhancing our spoken English as well. So I have to read something and I have to memorize some of vocabulary. It is also important. So this is about my English journey. Have you got the idea that you have to also learn English and you are connecting by this platform? So when, what
Okay.
time, and how long have you been learning this language?
Okay, that's a pretty good question, by the way. I was very fascinated to this language, to this subject, like because when I was in eighth grade, I studied it as considering it as a subject, not a language. So I was very interested. I loved the grammar portion of the English. So I had the curiosity to work on English from then, but I couldn't find any way for that. So when I entered in 11th grade, I got some spare time. So I thought of investing on English. So yeah, it's been an year. I'm speaking in this language.
Yes, I also would like to share with you that when we didn't learn it, we can't speak in English. That time we have taken a subject, and nowadays we have taken just a language. That what should we do nowadays for a language? That we must have to use this language, and at our home, every single day we just use this language. We don't use our mother tongue. We just sacrificed our mother tongue. You can say.
Okay. So what's your board? What's your medium?
Our medium we is actually we are from Bangladesh, so our mother tongue is Bengali, so we study in a Bengali medium.
Okay, that's wonderful because mostly people expect from a CBSE or ICSE board student that they might be able to speak in this language. But that's a good thing that I'm also from state board. I'm also from a UP board, you can say. So, yeah, that's a good thing that we are turning ourselves and putting ourselves in that environment, in that.
So,
Okay, sure. So, okay, it's okay, we have a lot of time to uh, talk on. Let's put another question related to traveling. Have you ever been to India?
no, we haven't been to India, but we have a strong desire to go there because I have seen so many things traditionally like Taj Mahal and Qutub Minar as well. So we'd like to visit there. But one more thing that my father has even gone there for treatment.
Okay, for treatment. Okay. So I also want to go to Bangladesh to visit that place. Tell me some beautiful places or some famous places in which I should go.
Oh, you have also desired to come here. So you're asking me that where should you visit first? That in Bangladesh, if you come here,
Yeah, exactly.
there are so many places behind our country. So first, I'd like to share with you the sea of Cox's Bazar. That you know that it is the longest sea beach in the world. First, you have to go there for visiting. If you go there, you'll be able to see so many. If you go there, really, if you come here, so you will be able to see so many foreigners. They come here. They just come here not only just for watching the environment, but also they are just come here for meeting the foreigner. That is why I have also decided to go there. And if I talk the other natural, so Jaflong at Sylhet, Kuakata. So these are the famous place in our country. If you come here, you must come here because these are the traditional place.
Okay. So despite visiting India, is there any other country do you want to go for traveling?
Yeah, one reason is behind it that we are so interested to learn this language that we'd like to go to abroad for higher education. It's maybe Canada.
Canada. Okay, that's wonderful. Yeah, it's very popular country mostly because of the education purpose. Yeah, definitely. So what do you want to become in future, both of you?
Okay, first I'd like to give the opportunity to my brother Muwaj.
Yeah, actually, ma'am, I want to become an engineer in future.
Oh, that's wonderful. And what about you?
In future, you know that we are human being. We have also desires, so I'd like to become a doctor in future.
Okay, that's really great. So okay. So
So what about
in my Mhm.
so
Go
what
ahead.
about
What about me?
you? That what yeah.
Okay. So I'm interested in computers. So my ambition is to become a software developer.
It's a great
Yeah.
idea, great conception.
Yeah. So tell me about the experience with talking, like talking with any good communicator, and who was she or he? Like if I talk about my experience, so it's been a week to me downloading Skype and joining people. And there was a communicator. She was Manju ma'am and Nutan ma'am also. Both were very good at communicating. Both were very good conversator. So what about you? Uh, your experience?
What about me? Actually, I didn't understand you. Please, if you ask me again your question.
Okay. So like you might have talked with a lot of people till now, right? On Skype. Did you get that?
Yeah, I got it.
Okay.
That
So I
was
was
my
asking. Okay. So I was asking, what was the best experience, and with whom did you get that best experience till now? Like I'm talking with you, and if anyone would ask me the experience of me, so I would definitely say that talking with Muwaz and Maliha, that was a great experience. So what about you? What
oh,
was your
now I have
yeah?
concept. I have see the point. Actually, you're really great at Manju ma'am. We have met with a long time ago, but nowadays we didn't meet him. But um, uh, I will say you that definitely she's a great connector. I have taken so many experience from her, so that is why now I'm so happy for that because when we can't speak in English, that time we just mail her and he accept. So that is why we're so happy for that. Nowadays we are not getting people and we don't have a session, but one girl I'm so appreciate for that she has told us to open this platform. And if I talk the what is the importance and to communicate with other people here. So it's so important for us and enhancing our spoken English as well.
Yeah, exactly. That's true. I agree. Okay, so it was wonderful talking with you. Let me know if you get any topic to talk on. I would definitely like to join you again. What happened?
Now I have no question and I have no topic, so I also would like to finish this session from now on.
Yeah, I was asking, let's wrap out the session for now and let me know after some time when you will get any topic, you can text me and I'll prepare the topic and we can debate on that. We can discuss on that afterward.
Understood. Now we have a now we have a no question. So can we wrap up the session?
Yeah, sure. Bye bye. Take care.
Thank you so much. It was a great conversation. Bye bye.